In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to write an ebook with ChatGPT in a simple, step-by-step way. Whether you want to create a lead magnet, a digital product, or your first full-length book, this process will help you go from idea to outline to polished chapters much faster. If you've ever stared at a blank page and didn't know where to start, ChatGPT can make the process easier, clearer, and a lot more organized. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical AI tutorials just like this one. Now, let's get into it. The first step is to define your niche and your title. Before you ask ChatGPT to write anything, you need to know what your ebook is about and who it is for. The more specific you are, the better the result will be. Open ChatGPT and type a prompt like, "I want to write an ebook about your topic." Suggest 10 high-converting titles and target reader personas. This gives you two important things at once: title ideas and a clear picture of your ideal reader. Once ChatGPT gives you the options, look for a title that is specific, benefit-driven, and easy to understand. Think about what problem your ebook solves and who would want to read it. If you skip this step, the rest of the process becomes much harder because the content won't have a clear direction. Once you've chosen your title, the next step is to create a paved road outline. This is one of the most important parts of writing an ebook with ChatGPT because it keeps the content from becoming repetitive or too broad. A good outline acts like a roadmap. You can prompt ChatGPT by saying, "Create a 10-chapter outline for an ebook titled Your Title." For each chapter, include 5 specific story beats or subpoints. This is where ChatGPT can help you organize the entire book into logical sections. You're not asking it to write the whole ebook all at once. Instead, you're building structure first. That makes the writing process smoother and helps each chapter stay focused. Review the outline carefully and make sure the chapters flow naturally from one to the next. If a chapter feels too vague, ask ChatGPT to refine it or break it into smaller, more useful sections. After that, it's time to set your digital style guide. This is the step that helps your ebook sound like you instead of sounding robotic or generic. You can tell ChatGPT to analyze your tone and vocabulary, then use that exact style for the rest of the ebook. You can also tell it to avoid common AI phrases like "in the ever-evolving landscape" or "delve deep." These kinds of instructions matter because they help ChatGPT match the voice you actually want. If you already have writing samples, paste them in and ask ChatGPT to study the style. You can say something like, "Analyze my tone and vocabulary. Use this exact style for all upcoming ebook chapters. Avoid AI-isms and keep the writing clear, natural, and engaging." This is a simple step, but it makes a huge difference in the final quality of the ebook. Now that you have the title, outline, and style guide, you can start generating the actual chapters one at a time. This is the best way to work because it keeps you in control. Instead of asking for the entire book in one prompt, ask for one chapter at a time based on the outline. That way you can review each section, edit it, and improve it before moving on. This also helps you catch repeated ideas, weak examples, or awkward phrasing early. As each chapter is written, check whether it matches your intended audience and whether it answers the reader's main questions. If something feels off, just ask ChatGPT to revise it with more detail, simpler language, or a different tone. Another smart tip is to give ChatGPT examples of the kind of writing you want. If you like a certain style, structure, or level of detail, show it a sample and ask it to mirror that approach. You can also tell it exactly how you want each chapter formatted. For example, you might want an introduction, a few subheadings, bullet points, and a conclusion. The more clearly you guide the AI, the better the output becomes. This is why prompt quality matters so much. A vague request leads to vague results, but a well-structured request can produce surprisingly strong content. Once the chapters are drafted, go back through the ebook and refine everything. This is where you check for consistency, readability, and flow. Make sure the tone stays the same from beginning to end. Check your headings, examples, and transitions. If one chapter is too short, expand it. If another is too repetitive, trim it down. You can even ask ChatGPT to rewrite sections in a more conversational style or make the language more beginner-friendly. The goal here is not to publish the raw AI output. The goal is to use ChatGPT as a writing partner, then shape the result into something polished and valuable. You should also add your own insights wherever possible. This is what makes your ebook feel original and trustworthy. ChatGPT can help you create the framework and the draft, but your experience, opinions, and examples give the book personality and authority. Even simple additions like personal lessons, case studies, or practical tips can make a big difference. If your ebook is meant to sell or build your brand, this human layer is especially important. Finally, when the ebook is complete, do one last edit for clarity, grammar, and formatting. Make sure your title page, chapter headings, and final structure all look clean and professional. Then you can export it into your preferred format and turn it into a downloadable ebook, lead magnet, or digital product. And that's the full process for writing an ebook with ChatGPT in a smart, organized way. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more AI and productivity walkthroughs. And if you want, I can also show you how to turn this ebook into a polished PDF, a sellable digital product, or even a full content funnel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.